There are two types of labor, manual and intellectual. They all have their own beauty, but all under the common name, the beauty of labor. Thanks to construction workers, the picture of our world is becoming more complete and sparkling. So join us on an adventure among the concrete and steel slabs to admire the workers at another level. Grouting is incredibly important as it protects the tiles from dirt and water infiltration. A unique smoke ceiling design is created with just a lighter. The way he spreads the mortar on tiles is as easy as buttering a slice of bread. If tiling isn't your thing, this type of cement spray might be an idea for you. The ingenious skill of excavator transporting large concrete sewer. A ballet of construction, a testament to human ingenuity, and a canvas of progress. When your deck is 9 feet off the ground, you improvise. When the excavators show their teamwork and transform into cranes. With low installation and maintenance costs, the simulation coating technique also has a beauty that is no less than natural marble. Use a crane to remove the manhole cover easily. One certain thing is that teamwork resolves issues quicker than working solo. ironworkers in construction with the important task of connecting. Modern pump jacks have many advantages, but this worker still uses traditional ones because they don't take too much time to set up. Before long, with this bending work, she'll get a strong muscular arm. To ensure safety, they should probably use scaffolding instead of those stilts. How geometry is applied in the construction industry. The best way to quickly lift shingles to the roof. Taking down the last dividing wall to start the renovation of the house. When the homeowner wants you to create something different, and the only thing you have is a water bottle. The corner bead in the drywall helps prevent cracking of the plaster edge and enhances the aesthetics of the project. The sewer construction work is incredibly satisfying, especially around the manhole cover. This scaffolding installation skill is definitely not something that can be mastered in 1 or 2 days. Paving stones are always the top choice for the garden path. During construction, the worker should use water to reduce dust in the surrounding areas. Without relying on machinery, these workers can manage with the sleepers. The herringbone pattern may look simple, but arranging the pieces at a 45-degree angle needs to be done seamlessly. Concrete floors are gaining popularity, but considering new ideas might be a fresh choice for craftsmen. You will require a forced action mixer to correctly optional Valtex resin binder mix. Prepare a strong layer of adhesive for the drywall. Then, begin the installation and use a drill to screw the bolts into the middle of it. This method is quite simple, but still produces excellent results. It's time to change a new coat for your wall. Those tiles aren't bad at all, but sometimes what the homeowner wants is a minimalist style. To cope with the cold of winter, a floor heating system is a must-have. Plaster shaping needs to apply appropriate techniques to achieve a smooth, symmetrical finish. For large-scale projects, demolition requires many techniques and methods. Instead of working alone, with the help of the whole team, the manhole cover will soon be defeated. A wooden cabin is a great way to add more rustic charm to your garden. The logs are stacked and secured with nails or wooden pegs. To install antennas at dizzying heights, the WLKY Skycrane Ericsson helicopter and the crew had a smooth collaboration to get the job done. Repairing sunken sidewalks is necessary to prevent hazards for pedestrians. Feeling like your ceiling is a bit plain? Try spicing up with a tile design. After lightly sanding and double checking the staircase, the final touch is to brighten up the stairs. The artificial grass wall design brings a natural look without much maintenance. Start by creating spaces between the tiles. Then fill those spaces with artificial grass to finish the wall. After finishing the bathroom floor, throw some marbles down to check the slope. Ever wonder how they get those natural edges or saw-cut stones? A unique elevator crafted by hardworking workers. We often see videos of wind turbines in action, but how are they built? Now let's see how to build a wind energy foundation with 30 tons of steel and 200 square meters of concrete. This house will need as many beer bottles as I'll drink in a lifetime to build. A note when installing 450 by 900 tiles is to spread enough and even mortar over the wall surface to make the tiles stick better. The accuracy in this project reaches 100%. Handling a 1.6 by 3.2 meter tile is a difficult task, but for a pro with 20 years under the belt, it's a piece of cake. GMC paper is installed behind other exterior wall panels as a secondary weather barrier. Building two carpets together is not difficult if you have skill and a cart. When a worker has more energy than usual, this is how he shows it. And now, this builder is going to share the skill of creating anti-slip edges for your stairs. Incorporating a hoverboard helps him speed up the work process. These workers apply a unique way of shoveling rocks into buckets. If you're planning on taking the door down to paint, try this hack. The wall is given a whole new look when Painting Master starts to work. Under the skilled hands of a true artist, a unique painting has been brought to life. Transporting a 30-ton concrete block is obviously not easy. That's why we are always curious about the construction techniques of the ancient pyramids. The AMK coating is based on acrylic water dispersion and agate stone, offering excellent color durability and performance. The effort to excavate the commercial parking lot comes from both the workers and the excavator. After the cuts are completed, they will be sanded and cleaned up before delivery to the cabin owner's building site. When you reach an expert level in any field, skills definitely speak for themselves. Have the construction worker videos met your expectations? Drop us a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.